did some shopping in this tote.
I do taste the ginger.
But it's very mild.
Mm.
Look what I bought myself. Got some?
I think I got some.
We got a chocolate chip, right? No. We got a rainbow chip.
Should have gotten the chocolate chip. It was not terrible. There's a lot of sugar in that bit.
Yeah. What do you rate the cookie?
It's not good.
I think it was like a 4 out of 10. Yeah. Ow! Big reads. It was like raw. It wasn't
raw,
good.
And then the outside was very crunchy. And it was just rainbow. I think we chose wrong. Well,
Yeah.
I chose wrong. But you said you wanted rainbow.
I did. Oh well. We'll try again tomorrow.
Cake.
With a cupcake because it's my birthday.
Oh, yeah.
It's so plain, but
Oh, you want me to show mine? I feel like yours is like the similar range. Wait. Oh, look at this. All the smoke.
good morning, everyone. I have not talked to you guys at all this trip. Yesterday was a lot of fun. We kind of just shopped all day long in Soho and then came back early for a nap because we were exhausted. And we ate a lot of good food too, as you saw. And then today we woke up. We were gonna go to the gym, but that did not happen. And instead we went and got bagels. And now we're getting ready to go get our hair done at this like TikTok famous salon. And I don't know if I'm gonna get a haircut, but my sister is. I'm for sure getting a blowout though. Plan today is to do our hair so we can feel better about ourselves, even though it's raining. It says it's supposed to stop raining at 12, and right now it's like 11, so that's why we're taking our sweet time to get ready. And then the Chelsea Market, and then we are gonna do a nice dinner, hopefully, if we can get a reservation at this place in our hotel. It's $45 for unlimited ribeye salad and fries. We wanted to go last night, but it didn't happen, and we ended up going to La Picora Bianca, which was so good. I'm actually really glad we ended up going there because I've always wanted to eat there. And I got a glass of wine for free. It was on the waiter. So it was like meant to be. We were supposed to go. I got on this striped sweater, dark colored jeans, and then I'm gonna wear black boots. I'm all ready to go. My future home. She's so pretty.